for couples diagnosed with unexplained infertility, I can't see any drawbacks in them not doing genomic testing, because people want an answer. Why? I mean, why aren't we having children? So I think we might not be able to detect it every time. We might be able to detect it 85% of the time, but if there is a genetic cause, we will give them an answer, and hopefully that will equate to a solution for them in the future. So, so I think it's empowering the patients to decide then what to do next, and give them an idea. So example of an infertile male is this PLZ1 gene mutation. Then we know that mutation, you need to use direct sperm injection method and a chemical to get fertilization. Without the extra chemical, it doesn't work. And if they didn't do genomic sequencing, then they would never know this. Yes, it's rare, but there are hundreds of genes and hundreds of, yes, they're all rare mutations, but there are hundreds and hundreds of genes, hundreds of different mutations. It starts to become common. Yeah, and the only way of seeing them is by sequencing all these 22,000 genes. This is our spit kit here. And it just has a funnel which you spit in the tube. And there's a solution in here that inactivates all bacteria and viruses immediately. So no COVID, no bacteria, anything. And it keeps the DNA stable for 5 years at room temperature. So it can be posted back to us. We can extract the DNA, get it sequenced, and then we can interpret the DNA results and get it back to the patients. So it's a simple, as you say, non-invasive process. And this gets posted in a plain box, so there's none of our logo on the box. It's completely plain, so it's innocuous. So none of the neighbours can know that they're undergoing fertility process. So for privacy purposes, it's a completely blank box.